Nora, are you a boy or a girl?
I go.
How do you know you're a girl?
Then I do tricks.
Girls do tricks?
Mm-hmm.
What do boys do?
I don't know.
No. What do boys have that girls don't?
Peanuts.
Peanuts? And what do girls have that boys don't?
Giants.
Vaginas? Is Sadie a boy or a girl?
A girl.
A girl? No, I think he's a boy. It's Saddie's a boy.
Oh, doll. I call him a doll.
You call him a girl?
Uh-huh.
But you know he's a boy, right?
Yeah. I call him a boy and a doll.
You call him a... Oh, that would be called... Well, I think that's a hermaphrodite.
Mom, my
What?
turn.
Oh,
Video you.
You want to video me?
Mhm.
I have one more question.
Mom, pull my legs first.
Okay. Are you going to fart? No. Does Sharky fart a lot? Does Grammy ever fart?
No.
No. Does Mom fart?
Uh-huh.
Does Daddy fart?
Yeah.
No. Does Nora fart?
No.
You don't fart ever?
Uh-uh.
No? Here, stand up for 1 second.
Mom, pull my two legs.
Pull your 2 legs.